Hi. Okay, let's provide a solution to this problem here. 5 to the power of x plus 5 to the power of x equals 200. Now, adding these two will give us 2 of 5 to the power of x, and that is equal to 200. There's nothing wrong if we divide this by 2, and then we divide this by 2. This will go there. So that 5 to the power of x will be equal to 100. Now, this is 5 to the power of x being equal to 5 times 20, because 5 times 20 is 100. Then we can still get 5 out of 20. So let's break everything down. This will be 5 times 5 times 4, because 20 is 5 times 4, and 5 times 5 times 20 will give us this 100. Now 5 to the power of x will be equal to 5 times 5. Let's write this in index form. That will be 5 squared times 4. So it cannot be in this form perfectly. So because of that, there will be need for us to take the log of both sides. So we'll take log of 5 to the power of x to be equal to the log of 5 squared times 4. Now, the power can also go behind, because if you have, let me write over there, if you have log a to the power of b, this is the same as b log a. So let's apply this to what we have right here, as we have x log 5 to be equal to log 5 squared plus log 4. Okay, so what I've done is going to confuse some persons, so I have to do justice to that. If you have, again, log ab, this is the same as log a times b, right? So if you apply this, what I just did, this right here is equal to log of a plus the log of b. Log of a plus the log of b. So that is what I applied over here. Since we are multiplying these two, so it can be log of 5 squared plus the log of 4. So now x log 5 is equal to, okay, we can still bring this power behind like we know. It's going to be 2 log 5 plus log 4. So that the next step will be for us to divide both sides by log 5. And we are doing that so that x will be alone. So divide this by log 5. This is going to take this out, so that our x becomes 2 log 5 plus log 4 over log 5. By the way, you can even stop here if you have to, but then this can still be simplified. So we have to proceed, since we are to simplify it to the simplest. This log 5 is the both numerator. So we have 2 log 5 over log 5 plus log 4 over log 5. There's what they call change of base. I'm sure you've heard about it before. So this will take this out first of all, so that x will be equal to 2 plus, we apply change of base here. Both of them are having base of 10, although not indicated, but we know. So we can change the base from base 10 as we have log 4 to the base of 5. And this is because this 5 becomes the base to the 4. And if you want to use calculator, you can press log 4 to base 5, then add whatever you have to 2. So let's verify to be sure we are correct. Okay, so this is what we have, and the equation is 5 to the power of x plus 5 again to the power of x equals 200. Okay, I think it's 200. Yes. Now let's put this value of x into this. We have 5 to the power of 2 plus log 4 to base 5 plus again 5 to the power of 2 plus log 4 to base 5. Okay, so from here we have to apply one of the laws of indices. The law says if we have p to the power of q plus r, this is the same thing to p to the power of q times p again to the power of r. So that if this is correct, then what we have here can be written as 5 squared times 5 to the power of log 4 to base 5. Then plus 5 squared again multiplied by 5 to the power of log 4 to base 5. And then from here, 5 squared will give 25. Everyone knows that. Then multiply by 4. How did I just get 4 here? Let me explain that under here. Remember that if you have log, if you have log as a power, let's say there is x over here that has this log y over x as the power. I mean log y to base x as the power. The whole of this is equal to y. The same x that is here is what is over there. So in the case of this, 5, 5, so those will go. So 4 is coming down here. Remember, 5 squared is still here, which is 25. Then multiply by 4, like we had over here. 25 times 4 is 100. Plus 25 times 4, another 100. 100 plus 100 is 200. And this is the confirmation that x equals 2 plus log 4 to base 5 satisfies the given equation.